Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from aerial imagery provider Nearmap to discuss its FY16 results is CEO Rob Newman. Rob, welcome back.
Yeah, thanks, Caroline.
Now, you've just announced your results for FY16. What were the highlights?
Yeah, it's been a really strong year for us at Nearmap. Probably the highlight of the year was our top line growth. So our revenue and our portfolio under management has grown significantly in the year. And specifically for the last 4 halves, we've had accelerating growth across the company to the point now where we've got over $30 million in annual revenue from both Australia and the US. Another real highlight for us has been our gross margin. We've maintained the gross margin across the company above 80%, which for a technology company is a very strong result.
Very good. So what drove the improved results?
Look, we're a disruptor in the industry, and in fact we're a leader in Australia. We've really created the industry for online subscription aerial mapping. So I think that's really, that adoption within Australia has really taken off.
Rob, taking a look at Australian operations, how did your business in Australia perform?
Yeah, look, Australia across the board has performed really well. We have customers in government, in insurance and finance, in the renewable energy industry, and in transport and utilities. And all 4 sectors have performed really well for us.
And at which customer segments did you experience the greatest growth?
Look, again, it's across the board. The growth has come in all sectors. We've increased our number of customers from just over 5,000 to 6,800 in the year. So yeah, really strong, broad, diverse customer base.
In FY16, the company expanded its business into the US. So how is your US subscription portfolio progressing?
Yeah, look, it's early days in the US, and a lot of my focus over the past 12 months has been building the right foundations in the US. So we put leadership in place, we've got the right marketing programs, and we've got the right product. So we expect that market to really take off and replicate the performance of Australia coming forward.
Rob, can you tell us about your partnership with OmniEarth and how this fits within the company's growth strategy?
Yeah, look, OmniEarth is an interesting example of the types of partnerships we want to form, taking our aerial imagery or location data as we call it, and then making decisions based on that data. How many solar panels are on a roof, how many trees in the backyard. That information is of interest to the insurance industry, to the water industry and so on. So that partnership really extracts information from our core data. So it's a valuable partnership for us.
And finally, Rob, what's your outlook for FY17 and your focus for the company for the next 12 months?
Yeah, it's really continuing the same theme. So continuing that growth in Australia, really accelerating the growth in the US because we've put all the foundations in place, and then extracting more data and value from our content is really the third theme. So investing in our core technology and continuing that.
Rob Newman, thanks for the update.
Yeah, thanks, Caroline.